Okay, good morning, grade 4. Today, please concentrate well because we will take another lesson. It means also, we have multiply today a fraction or mixed number by a whole number. So when we multiply a mixed number by a whole number, you will see another thing, or we will make it, or we will convert it to a fraction greater than 1. Do you remember that, guys? So let's see how I can multiply a fraction or mixed number by a whole number. It's so easy. So let's see. Multiply a fraction or mixed number by a whole number. Please open your book on page 164. It's lesson 8.4 today. Multiply, and then he asked me write the product as a mixed number. Wow. So he needs from me any fraction greater than 1. I will convert it to a mixed number. And don't forget that the fraction greater than 1 means the numerator is greater than the denominator. Do you see the numerator? Greater than the denominator. So you must know what is the fraction greater than 1. Okay? Then, if I have number 2, he answered for me number 1. So he asked me the first multiply and then write the product as a mixed number. So we have 3 times 3/5. What I will make, I told you before, it's so easy. We can make 3 times 3 equal 9 and then the 5 as it is. Like I told you, I can imagine that the denominator for this 3 is 1. But you will see here 9/5 is greater than 1, right? So what I will make, do you remember this one? I told you before about that. I will take the 9 over 5, or 9 divided by 5. And then, how many 5 in 9? I will not see anything times 5. Give me 9, right? So we will see something closer to that. But closer, small, not greater. So 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 is greater than 9, so I will take 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. And then minus 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay? So now, how we know from this operation or from this divided to know where is the fraction and where is the whole number, where is the mixed number, right? So do you remember I told you 5, it will not change, it's a denominator, and then the numerator down, the leftover with me is a numerator, and I told you, do you remember the whole number all the time I'll put up like this. So now a whole number is 1 and numerator 4, denominator 5. All the time you must save the denominator will not change. So put 5 as it is, and we must know whole number up, numerator down. Numerator here and whole number here. Okay? Then number 3, 5 times 3/4. So I will take 5 times 3 equal 15. And then I will put the denominator as it is. Then it's greater than 1 or no? I told you the numerator must be greater than the denominator. It must be what? A fraction greater than 1. So what I will make, I will take 15 divided by 4. So when I told you 15 divided by 4, I will look in table 4 what is closer to 15 but smaller than it. So 4 times 1 equals 4. Wow, it's so small than 15. 4 times 2 equal 8, also so small. 4 times 3 equal 12, small. I would go to 4 times 4 equals 16. It's greater than 15. So I will take 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. Then I will make minus. 15 minus 12 equals 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And 1 minus 1 equals 0. Then you must save this one in your mind. The numerator down, denominator is 4, it will not change, and the whole number up all the time. The whole number is what? Where? Is up all the time. So now 3 as a whole number, put the denominator as it is, 4, and then put the numerator, it is the leftover for me. It will be 3 3/4. Okay, let's see another page. Now we can see it. Yes. Then let's see number 4. Oh my god, now it will be 4 times 1/5. So now I have 2 operations to make it. I will convert the mixed number to a fraction greater than 1. Then I will make multiply. Then I will go again to make it as a mixed number. Then, so cannot make 4 times 1 equal 4 and then 1/5 over it. No, cannot. We will not make like this. We must make 4 as it is here, and then you see 1/5. Look here. It is now. I have 1/5. So like I told you, it's a circle. Do you see a circle like this? 1 times 5 equal 5 plus 1 equal 6. So 6 here, it's a numerator, and I told you 5 will not change, okay, as a denominator. So it will be 6/5. Do you see 6/5? So now 4 times 6/5 equal what? We will take 4 times 6 as a numerators equal 24, and then the denominator we will not change it, 5. So now what I will make again, he told me before, put the fraction in a mixed number. So I must change 24/5 or rename it as a mixed number. So I will take 24 divided by 5, do you see, equal what? I will take 5 times 1 equal 5, so small than 24, and then I will see something closer to 24 but smaller. It will be 4 times 5. 4 times 5 equal 20, so make minus. 24 minus 20 equal 4. And then remember, for me here it's denominator, I will not change it, 5. And then what's this? Please concentrate. Okay, it will be the whole number 4, and then the leftover for me, it's a numerator. Then let's complete number 5. I have 2 times 2 1/3. Hey guys, I told you cannot make 2 times 2 equal 4 and that's it. No, I must change the mixed number to a fraction greater than 1. So it will be 2 times 3, do you see it here? 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So 7 here, it's a new numerator, but the denominator will not change, 3. It will be 7/3. times 2. So now 2 times 7 equals 14. 14 over 3, because I will not change the denominator. Then we must, we have now the fraction 14 third. It's greater than 1. So what I will make, I will change that into a mixed number. So 14 divided by 3. I have here 14 divided by 3. So I will look at the timetable in my mind, in table 3. So we will see what is closer to 13. What's times 3? Give me something closer to 14 but so small. So it will be 4 times 3 equals 12. So 14 minus 12 equals 2. And then the whole number, do you remember? 4. The denominator is 3, will not change. And the numerator that I have left over up. Okay? So grade 4, I must have told you something is so nice. To know all the time, I told you, don't change the denominator. The denominator in the grade 4 will not change. Okay? So don't forget, I will not add the denominator. I will not subtract the denominator. In your lessons here, we will not make any change in the denominator. Even when we convert from the mixed number to a fraction greater than 1, or from fraction greater than 1 to a mixed number, I will not change the denominator at all. Okay? Don't forget this point, please. Okay, I will leave for you the other questions to practice more by yourself, and then let's go to problem solving. Number 10, Preli exercises for 3/4 hour each day for 6 days in a row. Altogether, how many hours does she exercise during the 6 days? So we have 6 days, and then each day she make 3/4 hour, okay, in each day. So now I will take 6 times 3/4 equal 18 over 4, right? Like I told you, 6 times 3 equal 18, and then 4 the denominator as it is. Then what I will make to know how many hour, okay? So I will make what? I'll convert the fraction greater than 1 to a mixed number. So 18 divided by 4, I will go in table 4 to see something closer to 18 but smaller than it, or 18. But I don't have in table 4 18. I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, like this. So it will be 4 times 4, because it will be 16. 4 times 4 equals 16. So it's closer to 18, and also smaller than it. So 18 minus 16 equals 2. And then I will see the whole number is 4. The numerator is 2. The denominator will not change, is 4. So she exercised 2/4. Oh, I'm sorry. No, it's not 2/4. It's 4. I'm very sorry. 4 hours 2/4 during the 6 days. Okay? Thank you. Then let's see another question. Now we can see it. Yes. Thank you. Number 11. A recipe for quinoa calls for 2 2/3 cups of milk. Connor wants to make 4 patches of quinoa. How much milk does he need? So he told me he need 2 2/3, and to make 4 patches, okay? How much milk does he need now? So 4 patches times 2 2/3 cups. Okay? Then I will convert the mixed number 2 2/3 to fraction greater than 1 to make time first. Then 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8, the new numerator. So it will be 8/3. And then 4 times 8 equals 32. Okay, do you remember it? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Okay, so 4 times 8 equals 32. Then over 3. Then what I will make also again, I will change the fraction greater than 1 to a mixed number to know how many cups of milk he needs. So now 32 divided by 3, I will see 3, 6 and 9, 12, 15, 18. Then 21, 24, 27, 30. So 3 times 10 equal 30. It's closer to 32 and smaller than it. So I have 10 times 3 equal 30. And make minus. 2 minus 0 equal 2. And then 3 minus 3 equals 0. I will not write it. So now the whole number is 10. The denominator, I will not change it, is 3. And numerator, what I have left over, 2. So he need 10 2/3 cups of milk. And now we finish the lesson 8.4. Okay, hope you understand everything. You can repeat the video more and more to understand. And then the homework will be I'm sorry you can't see it now. Now you see it, yes. Homework will be 165. Goodbye.